This is one of the strongest creatures on the planet relative to its size. It's actually called a dung beetle, and it can push over 1,000 times its own body. Wait, that's like a person pushing two fully loaded 18-wheel trucks. Now look, as soon as an animal like a cow or an elephant poops, the beetle flies quickly toward it before it hardens and lands on it. It then works really hard to roll a fresh chunk into an almost perfect ball and starts pushing it to a safe spot where it either buries it to eat later or lays its eggs on top. There are several types of dung beetles, which can be categorized based on their behavior and habitat. Here are some common types. Roller dung beetles. These beetles roll dung into balls and transport it to a safe location for feeding or breeding. Examples include the African dung beetle and Onthophagus species. Tunnel dung beetles. These species burrow into the ground, creating tunnels to store dung for food and laying eggs. An example is the Scarabaeus species. These beetles live in the dung itself without rolling it away. They feed on the dung and can often be found directly within it. Examples include Aphodius species. Each type plays a crucial role in nutrient recycling and soil health within their ecosystems.